Let's evaluate a variable expression with integers. I love integers. Let's evaluate 3x plus 2 for x equals negative 2. So what this means is that everywhere I see an x, I'm going to substitute in a negative 2. Now, word of advice. When you are substituting in a value, I like to always use parentheses, because if you're substituting in a negative 2, you want to keep that negative with the 2. Okay, so I have a 3 times x. Well, my x is a negative 2 plus 2. Now we're ready to just simplify with an order of operations. I'm going to multiply first. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. There's my answer. Evaluate negative y plus 6 for y equals negative 3. Again, I recommend parentheses. So when I plug in, I have a negative y. Well, y is negative 3 plus 6. Hopefully we remember that 2 negatives is a positive and 3 plus 6 is 9. The last two I want to compare, okay? I want to do both of these with an x value of negative 3. Now, I want you to notice the difference. The difference is that on the left, our x squared does not have parentheses around it, and on the right, it does. And that's a huge difference, okay? So when I go to plug this in, remember we talked about, we always want to use parentheses around our negative 3. So I have a negative, then parentheses, negative 3 squared, plus 2 times negative 3. Okay, inside here, like we're doing our exponents here, order of operations, negative 3 squared is 9. Then this comes down for the right, plus 2 times negative 3. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and I have an answer of negative 15. Okay, let's do the same basic problem, except now we have parentheses. So now I have inside parentheses negative 3 squared plus 2 times negative 3. Hopefully you can already see the difference, because now before I do my exponent, I have to simplify within the parentheses. So I have a negative of a negative 3. 2 negatives is a positive. So this is really 3 squared plus 2 times negative 3. 3 squared is 9 plus 2 times negative 3. 2 times negative 3 is indeed negative 6, and 9 minus 6 is 3. Look how different these answers are. Look how different a set of parentheses, the difference it can make in a problem. So pay attention whenever you're putting in numbers, whether they're positive or negative, I don't care. I always substitute in with parentheses around my number so that I know where it is, what I'm dealing with, and it helps me make fewer mistakes along with writing out each step of my work.